Geodesign barriers. P101 Industrial Flood Barrier. Setup guide for outer corner. Positioning the barrier supports. Position and erect two barrier supports at 45 and 90-degree angles from the deployed straight barrier. Mount the 45-degree corner panels. Position the corner panel, then align the keyhole cut on the panel with the mount button on the barrier support. Turn the panel slightly and slide it in at an angle. Rotate it back to square. For the other side, slide the support in from behind. To create a 90-degree corner, mount a second corner panel in the same way as the first. Roll out the polyliner. Place the polyliner in front of the barrier with the folded side facing toward it. Roll it out along the length of the straight sections up to the corner. Then extend it an additional 4 meters in the same direction to ensure enough liner to cover the corner properly. Rotate the roll 90 degrees, keeping the folded side toward the barrier, and unroll it in the new direction. Unfold the liner over the top of the barrier. Ensure there is enough membrane on the ground around the corner. Evenly distribute the excess membrane across the upper part of the barrier. Secure the polyliner. Start by adding panel clips to the top of the barrier, 1 per section. Ensure the liner overhang at the back of the barrier is between 10 and 15 centimeters. Then secure the liner at the corner with metal clips. Fold the liner over the top and clip it in place. Use as many clips as needed to gather and hold the excess liner in place. Next, add chain lengths along the outer edge of the liner. Join the chains together using the carabiners at the ends. Secure the chains in place using cable ties. Thread the cable ties through the pre-punched holes and pull them tightly. Lastly, hang a garland chain over the corner to complete the setup. And that's it. Your P101 outer corner is now fully installed. For more detailed information and additional resources, visit geodesignbarriers.com.